Our local vicar gave me the book A Spirit of Adventure in Craft and Design, written by John Makepeace. And this book opened my eyes for the first time to the world of bespoke fine furniture. I chose this as a career path from way back when I was studying sustainable design. I found that I enjoyed making things out of wood while at university on the design course. But then when I was working as a joiner, I realised that I had the ability to design and make as well. And from that moment, I decided to become a furniture designer maker and combine my two passions in what I do. I think achieving a QEST scholarship in 2016 has been the greatest accomplishment in my working career so far. It has opened up so many opportunities, and I'm really excited to be working with some amazing companies. I would say that there are parallels between the craft of weaving and making high-end knitwear to furniture making. The use of the material by hand and machine, and the connection with that material almost resonates through your body as you're working the material. And I think it's that connection that we have, that we share, that John Smedley has with the garments and I have working with and sourcing wood. I feel a touch of sadness when a piece leaves my workshop. The care and number of making hours that go into creating a bespoke piece of furniture, it's almost as if a part of me gets handed over with that particular piece. But I'm just pleased that a client can enjoy the furniture that I make, and hopefully they'll enjoy it for years to come.